What do you think's happening here? Ego?
Oh, shit.
High mechanism of injury. High mechanism of injury. That was not his bike either. Oh, baby. High mechanism of injury hitting that curb. Easily shatter things. Easily shatter things. So let's go back just a little bit. So right here, what do you think's the problem? One of the things that really sets ego up for you for failure is, I can't even speak this morning. Anybody put something in my coffee? The thing with ego, it's usually like a peer pressure or a group ride setting or a road rage. Ego, I like to think of as your emotion taking over your logical side of your brain. So when you have a big group ride like this is quite easily an ego thing. Okay, we're showing off. Okay, we typically can do good risk management when we are in a situation by ourselves. We're like, I don't know if I should jump off that cliff into that water. That water doesn't look like it's deep enough for this height. I'm not going to do it. That's risk management. Same thing here. I don't know if I have enough room for my wheelie, but I'm going to do it because this is where everybody's parked and I want to look cool. So that right there, it's going to override your logical thinking. So a little bit too fast. He was also doing the wheelie, and it all started from an ego thing. So speeding definitely was a problem. Where you're going to do it, the positioning of it all is the problem. Ego, group ride setting, keep that in check, guys. You know, surround yourself with some people that aren't like this, or not that are not like this, as in that will promote good safety. You can be around people like this all day if you want. It's up to you.